Welcome to 2240 Hensley Street in Glenview, Illinois. This home had old vinyl siding and leaking builder's grade vinyl windows. The siding needed to be updated to match the existing homes in the neighborhood, so these clients required a new design throughout their home. Our design consultants were able to create a beautiful rendering to fit their client's desired aesthetic with the help of 3D modeling software. Our construction crew also does an excellent job. Their patience and talent help bring these renderings to life and bring the overall project to a successful conclusion. The materials that were used in this home's renovation were James Hardie's Lap and Shake straight cut siding in the color Night Gray, and all of their trim was in James Hardie's Arctic White. Ultimately, the outcome of this home exceeded the client's expectations. They were ecstatic with the results, and they were pleased with both our services and our pricing. For more information on how Siding and Windows Group can transform your home, please contact us to schedule your design consultation today.